Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create like a really nice soft lilac makeup lip. I love colour on the eyes. I actually really like to wear colour, so on my eyes, not so much on my clothes, but that's a different story. But yeah, I wanted to show you how to create like a nice soft purple look for like summer and like a wearable look. Nothing too heavy, nothing too crazy, quite light and quite simple. I've already got my base on, so, and my eyebrows, but the rest I haven't got anything else on, and I've got my contour on, but yeah, that's it. I'll just take you through what I'm going to do. Hopefully it's like an easy look, nothing too crazy. Right, so let's get into the video. Basically the inspo I had is I've been watching a lady called V Prudence on here. Absolutely love her style. I love her content. I love how she uses colour, and I love colour. So basically she has inspired me. So yeah, I thought I'd create this look. I'm actually going to be using the Revolution palette. This one, it's called the Visionary Reloaded. It's going to be very quick and easy because I'm all about quick and easy looks. So just using this eye primer. This one is from Makeup Revolution, and just pack this all over your lid. I'm all about ease. Like, I haven't got time to spend like 10 years on doing eyeshadow. This is for everyone who wants like a nice quick look. But also with this look, you don't actually have to wear obviously lilac or purple. You can just switch it up. But the rules apply for different colours. Just switch up the colour. So whatever colour you have at home, use that one instead if you don't want to go for purple, but you know. To start with, I'm just going to use the darker purple, which is nice iridescent colour. I'm just going to pop this all over my lid. You could even just wear this by itself if you wanted to. This is like a wash of colour, like just one shadow. I like one shadow eyeshadow looks as well. I think they're really soft and really pretty. This look is nice for like summer, but it is also nice like a summer's day, but it's nice if you're going out as well and you want to look a little bit more, you know, extra. With a blender brush, another blender brush, a clean one, not the same colour, otherwise you're going to get shimmery purple in your crease and you don't want that. Matte colours only for the crease. So I'm going to use this shade here. And I just take it. Well, it's pink, but it's not. It's like a burgundy colour. I just take that into the crease as my crease shade. And this will just give you definition. I take it all the way in because I like my crease to look really defined. If you don't want it defined, you could just take it on the outer bit, but that's how I like it. Oh, I feel like since I've tied my hair up, I feel so much more, I feel so much cooler. Don't be afraid to use your fingers. I'm just going back in with the first shade and I'm just popping it in here. This is the second time filming this video, so hopefully this one makes the cut. Like so. And then I'm going to take that same purpley colour underneath my eyes with a blender brush. I haven't put my concealer on because I'm going to neaten and brighten underneath after. You can use a smudger brush, but I'm going to use this brush. And then my third shade is this one here. And this one I'm going to use with my ring finger. And I'm just going to pack it just in the inner corners. It is quite bright, but you can just tone it down. And I like to use my fingers with eyeshadow for like these kind of colours. and then I'll blend afterwards. And blend. It's not a very hard look to do. Just make sure you've got some good quality eyeshadows. The Makeup Revolution ones are amazing because they are affordable, but they are really good quality, and some good brushes. You can find really good affordable brushes like Real Techniques, which I absolutely love. So you don't have to spend like £7 million on brushes, or you can just, you know, use affordable brushes. So now I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner. This one is from Revolution, and I'm just going to do a flick. I'm not going to take it all the way in, I'm just taking it on the outer. You can see. And then just wing it out. My best tip for liquid liner is to follow the end of your eye and bring it up, and then join it. That's the best way I find to do it, and is to look down in your mirror as well, and just check out like your eye shape and everything as well. For mascara, Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes, and I just wing it out. If you want your eyes to look more feline, just wing it out like so. Like so. That's my mascara done. And then for concealer, I'm going to use this one from Makeup Revolution. You guys already know. This one is a little bit brighter. I'm going to blend it in with my beauty blenders from my beauty blender from Real Techniques. These are my ultimate favorite. They just make everything look so natural. And go underneath the eye as well. So you're not too close because you've got shadow there as well. You can just use this corner just to clean up. You see? I love purple. I think it's so flattering. People are scared of purple on the eyes, but if you get the right shade of purple, and obviously you don't take it up to your brow. I mean, you could do that if you want to, but you know. But it's just makeup. Like if you try it and you don't like it, like you can take it off. It's not the end of the world. You can always take it off. And this is dry. I prefer mine dry. I tried it wet, but I feel like it just separates my makeup, so. Right, now I'm just gonna set my under eyes with some powder. Okay guys, I thought I would show you how I do this. So this side is done, this side isn't done. So you can see the difference. It's got like a dewy finish, this concealer. So I'm just gonna get quite a lot in this case, and then just pop it under my eyes. Normally I don't go this heavy, but you know. YOLO. And I just take it all the way around it so it blends seamlessly. I don't like when it's just like this. I like it to blend. And take some around my mouth, my nose, whatever's left on the brush. And like so. Perfect. And I'm just going to set all of my face just to make sure everything blends with this powder from Primark. Just set everywhere. Like so. Bronze with my Makeup Revolution Pro Sculpting bronzer. not too much, to give my face a bit more warmth. Hold on, let me just do my blusher. I do actually have a purple blush, but that might be purple overload. I don't want to look like a Cadbury's chocolate bar, so we won't do that today. I'm just going to do my lips and spray my face, and I will be right back. Right guys, that is the final look. I hope you like it. A really nice soft lilac look, nice for summer. It would be nice with like a green dress as well. I was thinking floral, black would look amazing, or like another pastel color like sage or baby blue. I think it will look really nice as well. But yeah, I think it's like a really cute look. Let me know if you like these kind of looks. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, share with all your friends, like this video as well. DM me, we can have a little chat, you know, discuss what kind of looks you want to see, how you guys are doing, you know, that kind of thing. I'll put everything that I use for my lips and my whole face in the description box for you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.